So a lot of the student ask, why do we need to study 12 to 14 hours a day, and why can't we do this slow? uh, First of all, I'm not a big fan of like slow approach. M- Mine is come in for some time, work super hard for a very short amount of time, get the job done, and just move on. And just you don't have to linger around for months and just get stressed out. So that's why I'm a big fan of come in for a short time, work hard, get out. And like some people try to make few bucks on campus job. That's really, it's like a penny wise pound foolish decision, because in the time that you actually are making that little money, you could actually be getting a full-time job, and you can be making like 5 to 10 times of that salary. So yeah, I don't really encourage that. Second is building momentum or being in zone. So basically what happens is once you start studying really hard, like few hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, you get into that zone. What do you call zone? Once you get into that zone, you can achieve like almost 6 months of work in about 1 2 months of time. So that's why I would try to get into that zone. It's like, for example, if you do one task and then you're like, yeah, I did that task, then you want to do another task and another. So it just builds, like, so that's why we like to build that momentum for you. And then lastly, I want to say that it is scientifically proven that uh, if you work hard for a short amount of time, you develop something called myelin, which allows your brain to fire quicker. There is a book called Deep Work, and you should all read that. And it tells you this thing that you can actually learn much quicker this way. So these are all the reasons we do very intensive boot camps.